Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the maternal knot for Mother's Day. Let's go ahead and get started. This is my left side, it's at the belt line. We're going to come over, we're going to put in a dimple here. We're going to bring it over to the center. And then we're going to bring this across, and we're going to bring this around like this. And we're going to come up like this. Then I'm going to come back over like this. We're going to come back up through like this here. Just looping it back, almost Eldridge style. Actually, it is Eldridge style. But then we're going to bring it back like this. Bring it up and over like this. Bring this back through this loop here. And back up like this. And come back over and spread it out like that. Then I'm going to come up through here like this. There's that. Let me put my collar down. And there you have the maternal. So again, own your own style, my friends. You're fearfully wonderfully made. To see this picture, go to my Instagram, SimmonsEssentials. Peace and God bless.